Did you know that over 60% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $1,000 emergency? Or that many of us find saving money confusing or tedious? What if I told you that the right apps can make saving effortless, almost automatic, so you can build your savings without even thinking about it? Today, I'm sharing 5 incredible money apps that make saving super easy, whether you're just starting out or trying to boost your emergency fund. Ready to turn saving from a chore into a habit? Let's jump in. First up, Chime, a digital bank that's all about making saving effortless. One of its coolest features is automatic roundups. Every time you make a purchase, Chime rounds up to the nearest dollar and automatically saves that spare change into a secure savings account. For example, buy a coffee for $3.50? Chime rounds it up to $4 and saves the extra 50 cents. Over time, those small change rounds add up, sometimes to hundreds of dollars. Plus, no minimum balance or monthly fees. Just set it, forget it, and watch your savings grow. Do you already use a Roundup app? Or are you curious to try? Drop your thoughts or experiences in the comments. Next is Capital, a clever app that helps you save for specific goals like a vacation, a new gadget, or an emergency fund. What makes Capital unique? You can set rules, like saving $5 every time you skip your daily soda, or rounding up all your purchases to the nearest dollar. It's like having a personal piggy bank that moves money for you based on your habits. It also offers visual goal trackers so you can see your progress, which keeps you motivated. What's a savings goal you're working toward? Or what habit would you like to turn into a savings rule? Comment below. I'd love to hear. Third is Digit, an app that automatically analyzes your income and spending, then transfers small amounts into a dedicated savings account without you lifting a finger. It looks at your bank account activity and predicts how much you can save comfortably each day. The best part? It's seamless and transparent. You never see the money leaving your account, but it's steadily growing. Many users report saving hundreds of dollars in just a few months without feeling deprived. Would you trust an app to save money for you? Or do you prefer manual control? Share your thoughts below. Fourth is Acorns, which takes your spare change and invests it automatically in diversified ETFs. It's perfect for beginners who want to grow their money passively. Every purchase you make, Acorns rounds up and invests the change, helping your money grow over time, without you having to think about it. Plus, it offers features for recurring deposits and retirement investing, making it a versatile tool. Are you interested in investing but don't know where to start? Or already using Acorns? Share your experience below. Last but not least, Honeydew, a free app designed for couples or shared finances. It helps you track expenses, set savings goals, and keep each other accountable, all in one place. It's perfect if you're working toward a shared goal like buying a house or paying off debt. Saving is easier when you're on the same page with your partner. Do you and your partner have a shared budget app? Or are you thinking of trying one? Drop your ideas below. There you have it. 5 amazing apps that make saving effortless and automatic. From rounding up spare change to automating daily transfers, these tools can help you build your savings stash without the stress. So, which app are you most excited to try? Or do you already use one of these? Drop your experiences or questions in the comments. I love hearing your stories. Remember, saving money shouldn't be complicated. With the right apps, it can be simple, fun, and even addictive. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on mastering your finances. And share this with friends or family members who want to boost their savings game. Ready to make saving effortless? Download one of these apps and start today. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more tips, like this video, and share it with friends. Comment below. Which app will you try first? Let's grow our savings together. Thanks for watching. Start small, stay consistent, and watch your savings grow, one app at a time. See you in the next video.